Welcome to the Garage Door Insights podcast powered by CV Garage Doors. In this podcast, we explore the systems, components, maintenance practices, and operational factors that affect modern garage door performance, long-term reliability, and everyday property access. Garage doors are one of the most frequently used moving systems in residential and commercial properties, yet many people rarely think about how these systems operate until a problem suddenly interrupts daily routines. From mechanical movement and spring balance to opener technology and safety systems, modern garage doors involve multiple connected components working together every single day. This podcast is designed to provide practical and easy-to-understand discussions about garage door systems, common operational issues, maintenance considerations, safety awareness, and evolving garage door technologies used in today's homes and properties. Whether you are a homeowner, property manager, business owner, or simply interested in understanding how garage door systems function over time, each episode is focused on helping listeners better understand the importance of long-term system reliability and professional maintenance. One of the most important things to understand about garage door systems is that they operate as complete mechanical and electrical systems rather than isolated individual parts. Springs, rollers, cables, tracks, hinges, opener systems, safety sensors, and door panels all work together to support smooth and controlled movement. Over time, repeated daily cycles gradually create wear across different areas of the system. Environmental conditions such as heat, moisture, dust accumulation, seasonal temperature changes, and long-term hardware stress can all affect operational performance. In many cases, small warning signs begin appearing long before major problems develop. Property owners often notice changes such as unusual noises, delayed movement, vibration, uneven door travel, slower response times, or inconsistent opener performance. While these issues may initially seem minor, they can sometimes indicate deeper mechanical imbalance or aging hardware within the system. Garage door springs are one of the most important load-bearing components in the entire system. These springs help counterbalance the weight of the garage door during opening and closing cycles. As springs weaken through repeated use, additional strain can gradually affect connected components, including cables, rollers, opener systems, and track alignment. Similarly, garage door openers continue evolving with modern technology integrations, including smart access controls, Wi-Fi connectivity, battery backup systems, motion detection features, and enhanced safety mechanisms. As these technologies become more advanced, proper setup, adjustment, and ongoing maintenance become increasingly important for maintaining reliable operation. Another commonly overlooked factor is preventative maintenance. Regular inspections, lubrication, balance evaluations, safety testing, hardware tightening, and operational checks can significantly reduce the likelihood of unexpected system failures. Long-term maintenance not only improves operational consistency, but also helps extend the lifespan of critical components throughout the garage door system. Safety also remains a major part of garage door system performance. Because garage doors involve high-tension springs, moving hardware, motorized systems, and heavy structural components, professional inspections and repairs are often essential when operational irregularities begin appearing. As garage door systems continue evolving across residential and commercial properties, understanding how these systems function becomes increasingly valuable to maintaining secure, dependable, and efficient property access. At CV Garage Doors, the focus remains on helping property owners better understand garage door reliability, maintenance practices, system behavior, and the operational factors that influence